I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care. You're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the
Hi guys, welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. At kung ikaw ay bago pa lamang sa aking YouTube channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, like and share, at i-bell na rin ang bell button para updated kayo sa aking susunod na mga uploads. So for today's video guys is isa itong tutorial kung paano makakuha ng wallpaper TT for free for Mobile Legends. So as long as makakuha din kayo ng diamonds. So gusto nyo natutunan guys, please watch my video. Pero bago ang lahat guys is nais ko lang magpasalamat dahil 4K subscribers na tayo guys. Yay! Sana guys is hindi kayo magsawang manood ng mga videos ko. Supportahan ako sa mga sa mga ganap sa YouTube channel ko. And guys, maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Love you all. Ay sana all. So let's start guys. Una is punta kayo sa Play Store nyo. Then type yan dyan Mobile Legend Diamonds. Ayan, search. Pagkatapos click nyo yung Mobile Diamonds Legends Free. Ayan, pagkatapos install mo, then tignan natin sa baba guys kung ilan yung rate niya, kung maganda ka ba yung rate. So as you can see guys, dun sa baba yung 5 star niya is napakataas. So meaning maganda yung feedback ng mga users nito guys. So kung natapos yun yung i-download, so i-open na natin guys. As you can see guys, makita nyo watch video para madagdagan tayo ng plus 10 points na coins, tapos tips and tricks para sa 500 coins. So nakita nyo dyan guys, 0 pa yung coins natin. So may papakita ko sa inyo kung paano magka-coins para ma-open na natin yung reward quiz na need nila ng 100 coins para ma-unlock. So ito pala guys is yung ma-open nyo yung tricks and tips. Ayan, pag matapos nyo basahin, so hindi nyo nabasahin, kahit di nyo basahin, scroll lang, tapos sa baba done. So may 50 coins ka. So as you can see sa taas guys, ang 0 coins naging 50. Then tapos pag itap nyo yung watch video, madadagdagan ng 10 coins. Ayan, 10 coins na naman. And palit-ulit lang na step guys. So nakikita nyo guys is yung reward quiz is unlock pa siya. So meron na tayo 210 coins, so pwede na natin siyang i-unlock. So pag na-unlock na natin siya guys, so reward na, para complete yung reward, so kailangan nating sagutan yung mga tanong. So get a reward, you must be a true ML player, so please complete this quiz. Yan siya nakalagay. So start.
I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care. You're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. So you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea.
Tapos, so yun guys, sa pagkatapos natin sagutan yung mga tanong, so ayan, may lalabas na claim your rewards. So, antayin na natin mag-loading siya guys. Ayan. Then, pagkatapos nito, Mobile Legends reward. So, you have completed the quiz successfully. Here is your reward, an exclusive wallpaper. So, ayan guys, ang exclusive wallpaper na guys, ang exclusive wallpaper na napanalunan natin sa pagsagot ng quiz. Ayan. So, ito na siya guys. Ginawa ko siyang wallpaper sa phone ko. Sobrang ganda siya guys. Maganda siya sa phone. Ayan. That's it. So, that's it guys for today's video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe. Thank you guys. Love you.